This is Disney Entertainment News Today with WDW News Today. I'm Rob Whiteside, and here now are the top Disney entertainment stories for Tuesday, April 5th, 2022. WWE star Rebecca Quin, a.k.a. Becky Lynch, has teased a possible Marvel Cinematic Universe role in her future. There were rumors in May of 2020 that she was in talks with Marvel Studios, but no further news broke. ComicBook.com asked her about it in an interview. Quote, "Maybe there could be something in the future," Quin said. Maybe. We don't tell secrets around here, and we don't tell Marvel secrets around here. Some people speculated that Quin appeared in set photos from Black Panther Wakanda Forever, but it was confirmed that the woman in the photos was not her. Quote, "That did not look anything like me," Quin said. "I don't think that girl even had red hair. I have no idea, but it was not me." Who would you want Becky Lynch to play in a Marvel movie or series? Let us know in the comments. Last week, we reported that Episode 3 of The Falcon and the Winter Soldier had been altered to include less blood and violence, specifically in 2 scenes. Ryan Parker of The Hollywood Reporter now states that the altered version was published on Disney Plus by mistake. Parker tweeted, quote, "I hear from a reliable source that it was a software control issue and the wrong file was recently published accidentally. It's being corrected immediately." Some speculate that the altered version is a, quote, family-friendly version meant for future parental controls features, or maybe meant for airing in stricter regions outside of the U.S. The altered version did not have blood splatter on a character killed in the episode, and another character was hit with a pipe instead of impaled in the shoulder. Hello there. General Kenobi himself, Ewan McGregor, has announced that the premiere for Obi-Wan Kenobi is moving to a Friday debut and will now be available on May 27th. He also announced that the first 2 episodes will be launched at the same time. Watch the announcement on our website. Disney Plus premieres were originally on Fridays before moving to Wednesdays in June of 2021, and it's unclear if this means that other shows will move to Friday debuts. Are you excited for Obi-Wan Kenobi? Well, of course you are. It's Obi-Wan Kenobi, but let us know in the comments. The Ice Age Scrat-Tails sand sculpture is no more, and Disney's Animal Kingdom is now celebrating the upcoming release of Polar Bear, the newest Disney nature film. The new sand sculpture can be seen surrounded by plants outside of Disney's Animal Kingdom. As you might expect, it features several polar bears. The background is sculpted to look like columns of ice or rock. The Disney Plus logo has a touch of blue in it, but the rest of the sand is uncolored. The Disney Nature and Polar Bear logos are on the center, and there are adult polar bears cuddling up with their babies. A flat polar bear carving on the side, and Disney Nature's Polar Bear debuts on Disney Plus on April 22nd, 2022, which is Earth Day. Marvel revealed alongside a new promo for Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness that tickets for the movie go on sale Wednesday, April 6th, tomorrow. The trailer now features Benedict Cumberbatch as Doctor Strange, Elizabeth Olsen as Wanda Maximoff, and Benedict Wong as Wong. Strange says to Wanda early in the trailer, "We could use an Avenger," to which she replies, "There are other Avengers." Strange says, "It'll get you back on the lunchbox." Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness hits theaters on May 6, 2022. Chaos has arrived. Moon Knight is now making nightly appearances at Avengers Campus at Disney's California Adventure. Just this week, Disney announced via TikTok that Moon Knight would be making appearances at Disneyland. We spotted him on the roof of Avengers headquarters and Avengers Campus. Appropriately, he waits until the moon is out to make his appearance. We spotted him shortly after 7:30 p.m. Pacific time. He made his presence known with his glowing eyes and a few flips of his cape. The newest Marvel series Moon Knight is now streaming on Disney Plus. Actress Estelle Harris, most known for playing George Costanza's mother on Seinfeld and being the voice of Mrs. Potato Head in Toy Story, passed away this week at the age of 93. Her son Glenn Harris released a statement saying, quote, "It is with the greatest remorse and sadness to announce that Estelle Harris has passed on today, leaving a hole in my heart too deep to describe. Her kindness, passion, sensitivity, humor, empathy, and love were practically unrivaled, and she will be terribly missed by all those who knew her." Among her roles, Harris was known as the voice of Mama Gunda in Tarzan 2, Old Lady Bear in Brother Bear, Mrs. Bogan in Teacher's Pet, and in Timon and Pumbaa, Timon's mother. You may also remember her as Muriel, the retired maid of the Tipton in The Sweet Life of Zack and Cody. Harris was born in New York City and raised in a small coal mining town in Pennsylvania. Harris started her career in community theaters before rising to success on Madison Avenue. She is survived by her 3 children, 3 grandsons, and a great-grandson. Our condolences go out to Estelle's family, friends, and fans. After a long audition process, Elizabeth Allen Dick has been cast in the upcoming Disney Plus series The Santa Claus as a series regular. The series stars her dad, Tim Allen, returning as Scott Calvin, a.k.a. Santa Claus. Alan Dick will be playing his on-screen daughter, Sandra, a new character in the series. Sandra is the youngest child of Scott Calvin and Mrs. Claus, Carol. According to Deadline, Sandra is a bit rough and tumble, has a passionate sense of right and wrong, and a strong connection to animals, mostly because there are no humans her age at the North Pole, which makes her lonely. Our entire family is delighted for her, Tim Allen said of his daughter's casting. Austin Kane has been cast as Cal, the older child of the Calvins, who, quote, lacks drive and focus, isn't sure what he wants, but knows it's not at the North Pole, and appears ill-equipped to survive in either world, although that might slowly be changing. Newcomer Rapali Red will be Grace, the angelic daughter of game inventor and product developer Simon Chosky, played by Cal Penn. Her wide-eyed belief in Santa and her love for all things Christmas could melt the heart of even the biggest non-believer. Devin Bright also joins the cast as Noel, Santa's right-hand elf. Optimistic and energetic, Noel perceives himself as Santa's best friend. Elizabeth Mitchell was previously confirmed to reprise her role as Mrs. Claus. Scott Calvin is on the brink of his 65th birthday in the series and realizing that he can't be Santa forever. He's starting to lose step in his Santa duties, and more importantly, he's got a family who could benefit from a life in the normal world, especially the 2 kids who have grown up at the North Pole. With a lot of elves, children, and family to please, Scott sets out to find a suitable replacement Santa while preparing the family for a new adventure with a life south of the pole. The original 1994 Santa Claus film was followed by sequels in 2002 and 2006. Jack Burdett, creator of The Last Man Standing, will be executive producer and the showrunner of the series. Allen will also be executive producer along with Kevin Hinch, Richard Baker, and Rick Messina. It will be produced by 20th Century Fox. Star cadets and galactic heroes alike may be bidding farewell to the current Buzz Lightyear-themed attraction at Disney parks should the upcoming Pixar Lightyear movie succeed. The current plan is to update Walt Disney World's Space Ranger Spin attraction. The more, quote, realistic aesthetic of the new film would really fit better in the updated Florida Tomorrowland, where it would join Tron Light Cycle Run and possibly a Wreck-It Ralph attraction centered around a video game. Since it opened in 1998, Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger Spin has seen very little updates as it's become the most antiquated of the Toy Story shooter rides worldwide. Maintenance-wise, it doesn't look very well either, with many broken effects and issues from the track that have been used since 1972's If You Had Wings. The second-generation Buzz Lightyear rides at Disneyland, Tokyo Disneyland, and Disneyland Paris may also see updates as well if this comes to fruition at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom. Of course, Hong Kong Disneyland's Astro Blasters was replaced in 2019 with Ant-Man and the Wasp Nano Battle, an attraction that uses most modern versions of the ride technology, including projection-based targets and score screens in the vehicles. Similar technology can be found in the Shanghai Disneyland attraction Buzz Lightyear Planet Rescue, which opened in 2016. These types of upgrades would be expected for any Lightyear version of the ride that gets approved to be built, and you can watch the Ant-Man and the Wasp Nano Battle on our website right now. Lightyear, starring Chris Evans as the titular character, explores the story of the real astronaut behind the iconic toy. It arrives in theaters on June 17, 2022. Would you like to see a Lightyear ride come to Disney parks? Let us know in the comments. For the absolute latest in Disney entertainment news, head on over to WDWNT.com and follow us on all of your favorite social media platforms. If you're enjoying this show, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to Unplanned Downtime on YouTube for more great content, and click the bell for notifications. Also, hit select all notifications so you never miss an episode of the show. And if you enjoy Disney movies and TV shows like I do, don't forget to join us for our weekly review show, Deep in the Plus. We do that now every Wednesday night at 9 p.m. Eastern, and you can find previous episodes available on demand right here on Unplanned Downtime. This week, our panel is discussing the classic DCOM Xenon, so please join us. For the worldwide leader in Disney Parks news and entertainment, this is Rob Whiteside saying, don't have a good day, have a great day. See you next time.